Check out this video to learn how you can earn $20 for every YouTube short you watch. That's $20 for each video you view, which is pretty much good, isn't it? Turn your free time into cash by watching fun videos whenever and wherever you like. No experience needed. With this opportunity, you can easily make extra money while enjoying your favorite content. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your spare moments into some extra cash. Let's embark on a fun journey together on this website. Anyone, regardless of where they live, can earn some money here. How much you can make depends on your location. For instance, in Greenland, you could pocket a hefty $20 just for watching a video. In Iceland, it's a solid $13. If you're in the United States, you might earn $12, and in the United Kingdom, it's a nice $10. Even in Mexico, you'll still get at least $4. And if your country isn't listed, you can still earn a fair $3.50. Watching lots of YouTube shorts can quickly add up, so let's go through the steps together. First, go to YouTube and click on the Shorts tab to find the most popular short videos. Look for videos with over 100 million views, easily found by searching for #shorts. You'll soon see many videos, some with millions or even hundreds of millions of views. Pay attention to likes, comments, and shares to gauge their popularity. Choose videos that match your interests and the audience you want to reach, aiming for ones that could become really popular. These carefully chosen videos will be your guides as you explore the exciting world of YouTube Shorts. Now let's break it down step by step. The first smart move is to find a niche that's not too crowded. Spend just 10 minutes searching, and you'll uncover one. Take Minecraft videos, for example. Minecraft is a hugely popular game loved by people worldwide. It's a sandbox game where players can construct and explore virtual worlds made of blocks. And guess what? I've already done the work for you. I found a channel that's perfect for you, boasting a whopping 6 million subscribers and producing super entertaining Minecraft gameplay videos. The amazing thing about Minecraft is its massive fan base, which means there's a strong demand for videos like these. So don't let this golden opportunity slip through your fingers. Dive headfirst into the Minecraft universe and watch as your earnings shoot through the roof. Also, just remember, Minecraft is not just a game, it's a community. By tapping into this community through engaging with Minecraft content, you're not only earning money, but also connecting with like-minded individuals who share your passion. Join the millions of Minecraft enthusiasts who are building careers and friendships through this dynamic platform. Start your journey today and unleash the potential for success that Minecraft has to offer. Let's simplify this process step by step. First, focus on finding the most popular short video. Once you've found it, click on the video and head straight to the Share tab. There, you'll find the URL, which is crucial because it can turn views into income. Next, visit shrinkarn.com, which is a special website that we will use today. Paste your URL, verify that you're human, and watch it transform into a money link. This link is special because with a popular video, many people will click on it. You can earn up to $20 for every 1,000 visits. Once logged in, you'll see an easy-to-use page. Go to the new Shorten Link section, paste your original link, click Shorten, and your money link is ready to go. Now let's make some strategies. Share this link where Minecraft fans hang out. Avoid sending it to people uninterested in Minecraft. I'll provide some specific websites where real Minecraft fans gather, ensuring you have an eager audience. By sharing your money link in the right places, you'll maximize your earnings and build a steady income from viewers watching Minecraft videos. Let's explore where you should share your link to get the best results, focusing on 2 specific online places. Our first stop is the bustling community of Planet Minecraft, a lively forum dedicated to all things Minecraft. Here, people share ideas, discuss gameplay tips, and seek feedback on their Minecraft adventures. With over 600,000 active threads, this forum is an ideal place to showcase your awesome Minecraft video to an audience that's interested and excited about the game. To start, log into certain forums on Planet Minecraft. Look for threads with views ranging from 200 to 1,000. Then, craft a short and catchy message like, "Hey, found this cool Minecraft video, check it out." Be sure to include your money link so people can easily watch it. With numerous threads available, you can spread your message across different forums, reaching a wide audience. This smart approach benefits both you and the users. They get to see cool videos, and you earn money for each view through your shared link. But our journey doesn't end there. Let's explore another online world where you can grow your audience and increase your earnings. Keep reading for more tips on how to make the most of your money link on different platforms. Let's delve into another exciting option: Facebook. Navigate to this popular social media platform and search for Minecraft. Look for large groups where numerous fans gather daily to discuss all things Minecraft. For instance, find a group with over 50,000 members and at least 10 new posts daily. Once you're in such a group, you'll encounter a vibrant community of Minecraft enthusiasts. Leverage this opportunity by posting something attention-grabbing like, "Just stumbled upon an incredible Minecraft video that's going viral." Remember to include your money link. These groups are hubs for sharing various content like memes and videos, with Minecraft being a hot topic of discussion. Your post could attract the attention of many users, enticing them to click on your link and generate earnings for you. By strategically sharing your link on platforms like Planet Minecraft and Facebook, you can maximize your visibility and earnings potential, tapping into vibrant communities of Minecraft enthusiasts eager to engage with your content. Keep exploring different avenues and refining your approach to unlock even greater success in your money-making endeavors. By sharing your money link in these active online communities, you're harnessing the influence of Minecraft fans to expand the reach of your videos. With some dedication and engagement in these discussions, you could establish yourself as a prominent figure in creating Minecraft content and generate a substantial income from it. Thanks for watching until the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to WealthWalk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.